free lang.
Okay, let's start. Tell me about yourself.
Good day, I'm Rachel May Canino, graduate student, a hardworking and motivated student who always aims to improve myself. I have strong communication skills and enjoy working with others. I'm responsible, organized, and always willing to learn.
Why do you want to work here?
I want to work here because I believe this company is a good place to learn and grow. I want to develop my skill and contribute to a team that values hard work.
What are your strengths?
My strengths include good communication, being responsible, and finishing tasks on time.
How do you handle pressure?
I stay calm, organize my tasks, and prioritize what needs to be done first.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I am dedicated, fast, and learning new tasks, and I am make sure to do my best.
Thank you for your time. We will contact you about this result.
Thank you. Tell me about yourself.
I'm Jaga Manipi Arnaras, graduate student. I'm focused, motivated person, hardworking, and always trying to improve myself.
Why do you want to work here?
Because I like your company with good benefits and about the opportunity to work here.
What are your strengths?
I'm responsible, quick to learn, and I work well with others.
How do you handle pressure?
I stay calm, focus on my work, and relax to think clearly.
That's it. Okay, next question. Why should we hire you?
I can handle the work you assign me. I can work overtime and willing to assign anywhere.
Thank you for your time. We will contact you soon about the result.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss.